How to change language courses in Duolingo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the flag icon at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the flag icon at the top left corner of your screen, here you'll find different languages course. Simply select the one you prefer and it will change into that. Then you can press on start and start the language. But if you want to add a new language, you can click on the flag like icon and then click on course with a plus sign. Here, choose the course you want and press on continue. After you do that, the course will be added. This is how to change language courses in Duolingo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.